Okay, step number 12. So we're going to take the, let's see, is it this one? We're going to take this one, I think. Yep. We're going to take spacer. I'm sorry, counter shaft they're calling it. Solve them. Put some grease on them. I might be changing the grease in the future. Who knows? Now this is we got BG5 and BG4. Okay, so I'm going to assume this is BG. Going by the looks of it, this is BG4. Yeah, 4. We're going to take the bearing, pop her in. We're going to stick her in like so. I'm going to take the other bearing, right, just like that. And we're going to take the next one, which was, what did I say, BG5. The spacer goes in first. Why is it not molded that way? I don't know. It should be pre-molded in such a way. Okay. And then put the other bearing on it. Okay, so can you get a good, all nice and free flowing? So that's step number 12, and I'm sure you got to do that twice. So I'll do the second one offline. So let's mark number 12 off. Number 13 will be this guy. Nope. 13 still with this one. Okay. So we're going to take our assembly. Right. We're going to take our gear, differential spur gear, and we have our what do they call these? These are bevel gears. We're going to take the bevel gears. No. They want the little ones. Okay. Take the little ones. Got 3 pins. So we'll put a little bit of grease on it. Put it in. A little bit of grease on each one. This is just a little bit. I'll put some more when I get it all into place. Okay. So all 3 gears have the pins and they all have grease. Okay. So now I'm going to take the differential spur gear. I'm going to do exactly like they show. It goes, there's a little, they There's little, what do you want to call that? Gaps. They pop in. I shouldn't say they pop right in. Gotta give it a little bit of a help. There it is. She's in. We'll do that for all three. 1, 2, and 3. And I'll see. Looks like I'll try to cover up some of that light that I got bouncing on there, but you can see all 3 gears inside there. Okay, and I'm going to put some more grease physically on the gears themselves. So now the gears and the shafts both have grease. Okay, this is where the other ones come in. All these gears aren't metal. You would think they would hold up better. Okay, trimmed a little bit of the crap off of them. Alright, so we have this. Alright, well, they call this the bevel joint. Alright, that's going to go physically on the spline shaft. Alright, now next it should, oh, I'm sorry, a little bit of grease. Okay, now we're going to take one of these gears and put it on there. Once again, put a little bit of grease on everything. Okay, now we take our gear that we just made, and it's going to go on the end. Come on, you're going to fit. I'm going to make you fit. Alright, come on. There we go. Alright, then we have another gear that's in my hand. Put it there. The bevel joint. Okay, so it's almost a complete assembly here. You can see I'm going to spin everything around, distribute some of that grease. Okay, now that was step 13. So we're going to cross that off. Remember, we have to do that 2 times. So I want to do one complete setup, and then I'll come back and off camera and do it the second time. We're going to take this one. Alright. I think this is the one that matches that. Make sure I don't miss anything here. I'll double check. Gears, gear. Okay. So I want to hold it in the same orientation. Try to line her up. And there, she went in. Okay. Now what do I need here? No spacers. So now we need some BA4s. BA4. That is a longer. Nope, that's not BA4. That's the BA5. This is a BA4. Okay. Let's get this one together. Okay. So we're going to hold it like so. We're going to get a bolt in there like that. And we're going to get a BC1. I get a BC1 in there to hold it tight, and then I'll go back and use some Loctite, and we'll Loctite that puppy in there. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. Alright, so it's not going to come apart now. And I'll go in and put all the screws in, and then I'll make a whole other assembly just like this one. And then we're 2 more steps closer to being done. That will complete steps 12, 13, and 14. Alright.